Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Honoka Hashina. Code NSFS 441. Released on December 23, 2025. And it has 127 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her brother-in-law. The guy borrowed money from his sister-in-law. Apparently, when her husband found out, the guy got mad. So the guy went to the guy's apartment and a commotion break out. So something unexpectedly happened to his wife. The girl fall down at the stair. So after a weeks passed by, his wife passed away. The next day, the girl went to the guy restaurant to comfort the guy from his loneliness. However, things went out of control. They went to book a room. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.